Jesus, yay! You have done it again, Jesus, yay! Hi guys, it's your girl Eveee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. Join me, let me show you the simplest method to make Konkonte or face the wall. Family, it has lots of health benefits, you know that. So let's go. So I have my Konkonte flour here, that's cassava flour. Yeah, this is 2 cups. So we're just gonna transfer it into our bowl, add water to mix, and ta-da, we are gonna start with the kneading. Okay. Konkonte has lots of health benefits. Ever since I got to know, I have been eating it like something, family. It has vitamin C, vitamin B, good for the prostrates, for the men, and for ladies, it's good for our Vajayjay. It cleanses the Vajayjay, make it tighter and fresh. And then if you have any sore, it cures it, yes. So if you are not eating Konkonte, family, please start eating Konkonte from now because it's very good. Okay, so over here it's on fire, and so we are gonna stir until it becomes lumpy, and then we knead it. This is the simplest method. In about 10 minutes, my Konkonte or face the wall was ready. Yes, so just follow this simple procedure and you are gonna enjoy. And it's also best when eaten with some peanut butter soup. And I say in so face the wall or Chris Brown is ready. Just look at it. And the color, it's also nice, it's delicious, it's healthy, and my family, we really like it. Konkonte ekumiyem crew. If you fast a lot, you need to be eating Konkonte, okay? So I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for how far we have come. It's a doing of the Lord, and it's so marvelous in my eyes. If you are new to my channel, thank you and welcome. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified, okay? So join us, let's enjoy this delicious Konkonte or Chris Brown or face the wall abetia with peanut butter soup. I know you want to try this, family. Ekoyi papa na so yes, so just give your girl some thumbs up, comments, and please subscribe if you like this video. Wash na akono. On weekends, I don't joke with my Konkonte at all, and I know after learning, you are also gonna start enjoying some Konkonte, okay? Thank you guys, and see ya. Bye, family.